penetration test and trainer having 6 years real-time experience in multinational company. You are watching penetration testing demo. If you have not watched the first 15 minutes video in the same playlist, you can watch that first 15 minutes demo. After that, watch this video so that you will have a continuity. Thank you so much.
You are installing that application, whatever you have downloaded, that one you are installing, right? npm is a
Yes.
command, install is the okay.
Yes, exactly. npm install.
Yeah.
Just paste this. I think. Meanwhile, if you have any queries or anything, you can ask me.
So once you, nothing, as of good, as of now, we are good. Yeah.
Cool.
What is npm?
Yeah, I'm about to ask that.
It's a package manager.
Okay, Node
Just
Package
like
Manager. Node Package
uh,
Manager. I just Googled it. NPM stands for Node Package Manager.
Good.
It defaults manager for the, it's a
Hmm.
default package manager for the Node.js. And now, what is the Node.js?
Node.js is something like instance. We can assume it will be running the applications. So basically, we can install these in two ways. One is from via the Node.js, and this other is from the Docker one. So we can run the Docker or we can download it via the Node.js. It's basically developed on the JavaScript itself.
Thank you. So, some people, I mean, like I have knowledge I want to share here. So, Node.js is an open source and a cross-platform environment where we can run this applications. So now, Sara has used one word called as Docker. The Docker has the latest technology where that is also container where
Yes,
you can deploy the applications and all.
exactly.
So to just give you more employment, what is the deployment? If you ask me, in Identity IQ world, we deploy IAQ in the Tomcat, right? That is called that is going to step over here. I mean, like the step
Oh,
will not be there here. Deployment in the
mm,
Tomcat will be not there here if you are using the latest technology, Node.js and all. Am I right, sir?
yeah. And before that, there are in the cybersecurity field itself, there are multiple things we do before start getting into the penetration testing. I will cover those until before we get these things. Okay.
Okay, that's something dependencies files are not there. Looks like we can fix it out. Yeah. Of course, that is a deprecated one only. That is a deprecated one only.
It's
No problem.
loading.
Sir, just give demo somebody. Just give background. Somebody joined right now, and you just tell him one word
Oh,
what we are doing, so that he'll catch up the points what we are doing.
I think Sai, right? Sai and
Sampada.
Sampada. Hi, Sampada. Just we are covering the what all vulnerabilities are present in the web applications. We're going to give the training in near future on those how to test the web application penetration testing. Among those, now we are going to give the demo
Sir,
for the.
he's just connecting, sir. I think he has not connected. He's connected, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Shall I go ahead now?
Yeah, you can go ahead. 1 minute. Spend 1 minute. Yeah.
The agenda of this call is to let you know the give the overview of what all vulnerabilities are there in the web application, and we have explored these all categories of web application and the tools that we are going to use for the web application penetration testing. In the process of web application penetration testing, we will identify the vulnerabilities present in the web application. That's it, as simple as it is. And for those today's session, we are giving the demo of content spoofing and cross-site scripting. For that, we have installing the this application Juice Shop, which Juice Shop is an application which is deliberately built with the vulnerabilities. That's an short overview of these podcasts. What's happened so far in the call.
So
If you have
it
any
is
queries, whoever
some.
joined, if you have any queries, you can ask me.
Yeah, it's for Sampada. The question is for Sampada, if you can.
No query.
How Docker as well. Let's try with that as well. If it doesn't work with an and Node.js, right?
Sir, it came because of the deployment, that installation, this Docker and all?
No, it's a different one. It's a Docker one.
Okay.
It's taking long time, right? So I thought of trying with Docker as well in parallel.
Okay, sir. Okay.
In the different tab, I'm just trying to pull the image of a juice shop from the Docker hub. So once we run this command, right, what exactly it will do is for all the this will be an image in the Docker hub juice shop. So this will be downloaded to our local machine.
Okay. By using this command, it is going to pull from the GitHub to our Docker, local Docker.
Oh, it's not from the GitHub. Just like Docker Hub is nothing but like it's like a storage space where we can store the images.